Good evening, Amjad जी. आज काफ़ी ही it's a very great evening. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
I feel very great, and I'm part of this prestigious company. I'm very proud of it, and I'm enthusiastic to sell furthermore.
Right. So when you sell these brands, do you sell it from heart or from your mind?
From heart, and I'm exclusive. I do not sell any other product, only Sansui and Kelvinator.
Awesome. Thank you and have a great evening.
Thank you very much.
Sansui सुनते ही आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है?
सेंसुई सुनते ही दिमाग में एंटरटेनमेंट आती है, एंटरटेनमेंट की दुनिया है। ये जो सारी टेक्नोलॉजी है, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी आ रही है, एक्साइटेड हैं हर चीज़ देखने को, लॉन्च देखने को, क्या नए प्रोडक्ट्स लेके आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि सेंसुई इनोवेशन के लिए जानी जाती है। जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं नए नए लेके आते हैं, जैसे अब सुनने में आ रहा है कर्व्ड आ रहे हैं, तो एंटरटेनमेंट की चॉइस है और एंटरटेनमेंट की वेट है।
4K Ultra HD is coming with new qualities, नए qualities, 4 times better entertainment. आपको कौन entertain करता है?
आई थिंक अब 4K करेगा, अभी तक तो कोई नहीं।
Sansui सुनते ही दिमाग में आपके क्या चलता है?
एक क्वालिटी, एक साउंड मास्टर, बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ जापान।
वो एक वर्ड जो आपके दिमाग में आता है जब आप सुनते हैं Sansui.
सैनसुई, Japanese technology.
4 times extra entertainment for all the customers. Tell me what entertains you the most.
The clarity, definitely 4 times is what.
Well, good evening. It's a great evening. 4K Ultra HD launch हो रहा है. कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत बढ़िया, हमारा ब्रांड है सेंसुई।
Sansui फैमिली का हिस्सा बनने में आपको कैसा लगता है?
हम शुरू से जिस दिन सेंसुई स्टार्ट हुई तब से हम उसका हिस्सा है।
अच्छा, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप एज अ ब्रांड Sansui को?
ब्रांड जिस ऊंचाई पे है उससे बहुत ऊंचाई पे जाए, ये हमारी समझ।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। गुड इवनिंग सर, वेलकम टू द इवेंट। वैसे Sansui सुनते ही आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है?
A lot of technology, a lot of new innovative things, and something that always is ahead of its times. And Sansui is very much ahead of its times in terms of every good that they've come out with. And I'm very, very proud today to come to this fantastic function. I believe the K Ultra HD is being launched, and I want to wish Sansui, Anuruddh Dhutji, and everybody connected to it absolute successful story and more success, and keep on growing.
Well, good evening. We have all gathered here on this special occasion. Sansui 4K Ultra HD is being released and launched. What do you have to say on that?
Well, I think it's a great thing. I think the smartest technology till the day to come. So very exciting. Hopefully this will go for a long time.
Well, Sansui is busy entertaining the world. In a way, even you're an entertainer. We would like to know who or what entertains you the most.
Every time I goes to the ground, every time I play, I think that entertain me most because I enjoy so much. It's like part of my life. I can't think of anything else. So yeah, that's exciting me most.
Today, Sansui 4K Ultra HD television is being launched. So what do you have to say on that?
I think this is one of the latest technology in the world, and looks really nice, looks really pretty as well, and hopefully it's going to be a massive success. As we all know that Curve is a latest technology, and obviously it just gives you that kind of a reality thing that as if you're just watching it live. So hopefully it's going to be a massive success, and Sansui is one of the biggest and one of the best brands in the country, especially when it comes to televisions and electronics. So hopefully this new technology will be a massive success.
Any message to Sansui on that?
Well, just want to say that they're doing a brilliant job, and the Sansui products, as we all know, it's like amazing, and good luck for this new launch as well, and hope it will do like the other brands as well, like other products as well.
Sansui 4K Ultra HD आज रिलीज हो रही है, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे Sansui को?
ऑब्वियसली उनको बेस्ट ऑफ लक कहना चाहूँगा, और विश करूँगा कि उनका जो ये प्रोडक्ट है बहुत अच्छे से सक्सेस मिले उन्हें, और मार्केट में उसकी वैल्यू अच्छी से रहे।
आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे Sansui को?
वी विश Sansui ऑल द बेस्ट, उनको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद। और हमने इनके प्रोडक्ट को हमने हमारी फिल्म में यूज़ भी किया है, सो इट्स गुड फॉर देम एज वेल एज फॉर द प्रोडक्ट एंड एंटायर टीम. Our best wishes and all the best to Sansui.
How do you feel, and what do you have to say on this?
Well, I think Sansui has been fantastic when it comes to televisions and all electronics. Of course, they're Japanese, so it doesn't really get better than them. But I think we're all very excited for our Curve TV because we're just hoping it replicates cinema viewing. That'll be lovely because we're used to seeing things flat. At least when you go to the theaters, it got that little curve, it got that bit of finesse. So hopefully this is going to be very exciting.
Well, it's a great evening for Sansui as they're launching 4K Ultra HD. What do you have to say on that?
I'm pretty excited to see that, and it's a revolution, futuristic approach.
Any message to Sansui?
Well, Sansui, I'm looking forward to watching movies on that TV now.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the grand product launch this evening from Sansui India. I'm Rashmi Nigam, and it is a sheer honor and privilege to among this huge Sansui Parivar, this huge bond that you all share. Maybe of 18 years of hard work, sheer passion by the company that we love so much. Sansui, give it up!
Throughout the years, Japan has established itself as the global hub of innovation. Every new technology that spreads over the world has its roots in Japan. India is a country that always demands the best at the best prices. And so, Sansui brings together the best of both worlds. With every new launch, we raise the standards and push the market forward. Because of our Japanese roots and access to the country's scientific reservoir, our products turn what was hard to imagine into reality. And our innovations in the field of visual technology and sound design. Today, Sansui is the #1 Japanese TV brand in India. Sansui Curve TV lets you experience brilliance from every angle with its immersive experience. The Connect TV comes with an integrated DTH that lets you enjoy TV viewing without an external set-top box, giving zero signal loss and maximum audio and video clarity. To take our brand to new heights, we have brought on board the Nawab of Bollywood, Saif Ali Khan, as our brand ambassador. His influence over the Indian audience has helped Sansui reach every corner of the country. Sansui initiated the biggest Bollywood award ceremony of 2015 as the title sponsor of the Sansui Colors Stardust Awards. When after sponsoring Pune Warriors in 2013, Sansui tied up with Kolkata Knight Riders, the 2 times IPL winners and the defending champions of this season. The trophies of our partners is a signal that our success is close. All we have to do is dig deep, do the best we can, and go for the win every day.
Sansui, over more than 1.5 decades, it's a Japanese technology, and today we have launched some very high-end tech products, and this is the right time where the market is ready. And I'm sure that with your support, we will launch always new products. The brand associated with the Saif, the brand associated with the KKR, and the brand which is associated with one of the biggest Bollywood awards this year, Sansui Awards, which has been in the #1 rating in all awards. So this shows the strength of the brand. I also congratulate the CEO, Mr. Amitabh Tiwari, who is and also the sales head and an entire team. I will be not able to take each and everybody name, but Sansui has now become a household name. It was always a popular brand, but this brand is growing every year. Last year also we had a growth. Every year is growing by 25, 30, which is beyond, because industry is growing by 10% and brand is going by 30%. So it is a 3-time portfolio of the brand, and we want that this year at least 40 to 50% growth, and to be, it's already one of the leading top 5 television brands, the LED brands, and I'm sure that by Diwali we will reach to this. I thanks each and everybody for their support.
I would love to have this gentleman on stage, our Chief Operating Officer, the man whose vision drives the force in Sansui India. Please welcome Mr. Amitabh Tiwari.
दोस्तों,
आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। मुझे पता नहीं आपको कितनी खुशी हो रही है, बट सैनसुई के बिहाफ पे आपको यहाँ देख के मुझे बहुत ज़बरदस्त घमंड, मतलब गर्व नहीं, घमंड हो रहा है। मुझे ऐसे फील हो रहा है कि हम लोग वी हैव एक्चुअली अराइव्ड इन लाइफ। लेट मी थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस फॉर द एंटायर 2014. We have amongst us dealers who have recommended our brand, who have helped us grow. That has given us the courage, the strength to bring in new products which are, I think, we are the third brand to be introducing the Curve TV. And not very many brands have Connect TV. Okay, that's kind of a uniqueness to us. We have features which will be explained by Shailesh. I will not take the thunder out of his presentation, but I would certainly like to say that our products are one of the best available in India now. So दोस्तों, आपका एक सपोर्ट चाहिए, वैसा वाला सपोर्ट जो दोस्ती यारी में केवल ना हो। अगर कोई दिक्कत है, कहीं कोई परेशानी है, we are available to serve you. She said we have been working hard. Actually, we have been working hard to make sure that we are in your consideration list first and our consumers' consideration list later on. We need a lot of SOR, share of recommendation from you. We need your support, but more than that, we need your love. आपके प्यार से हम लोग थोड़ा आगे बढ़ सकते हैं और वो हौसला अफजाई होगा। हम लोग थोड़े कुछ उस तरह के ब्रांड्स को भी टक्कर देना चाहते हैं जो समझते हैं कि उनसे बड़ा कोई नहीं है। हम लोग दिखाना चाहते हैं कि हम बड़े हैं, और मैं थोड़ा इस तरह का स्टेटमेंट इसलिए दे रहा हूँ कि आप साथ हैं। प्लीज़ कीप सपोर्टिंग अस एंड टुगेदर विल ग्रो। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टेकिंग योर टाइम आउट एंड कमिंग हियर।
I would like to call on stage a man like we all know. He's all about the numbers. He loves the number games. He's the head of sales. He's here to tell us some futuristic products and technology that Sansui is going to unleash today. Please put your hands together for Mr. Shailesh Prabhu.
We are a Japanese brand. We have enough R&D and technical know-how to beat or to match with any competitor in this particular field. And that's what we are talking about, that we would like to entertain the world further. आपने लास्ट 17 सालों से देखा है कि सैनसुई जो ब्रांड है, इसका नाता एंटरटेनमेंट में काफ़ी है। We have been entertaining the entire world, not only in India, but entire world for last 55 years. और इंडिया में हम लोग 1997 से है, तो ऑलमोस्ट 18 ईयर्स हो गए कि हम यहाँ पे इंडिया में कंज्यूमर्स को एंटरटेन कर रहे हैं।
Manish Pandey, Umesh Yadav, Surya Kumar Yadav, Warnie Morkel, Robin Athappa, Sunil Narayan, all you handsome men. And of course, the very lovely man standing next to me at the backstage, Yusuf Pathan. Thank you so much, gentlemen. And now, along with you, I'd like to call on stage our brand ambassador for Sansui, the very dapper, the very handsome actor, musician, sports lover, Saif Ali Khan. So one question for you. As a brand ambassador of Sansui Television, what are the similarities you see between you and Sansui?
Well, I'm not as curvy, that's for sure. As I heard that I was going to be asked questions about comparing the Sansui Television to Bollywood actresses. I don't know.
Well, you can compare them to other women also.
To what?
You can compare them to other women also.
But compare them to me. What is the similarity between me and a TV?
No.
I don't know.
You know, you just
I think the TV is a little more interesting to look at than I am.
Okay, great. That's Mr. Ajit Upadhyay from Fishka Enterprises, Varanasi. Can Robin please do the honors with Anurag sir? All right.
Hello?
And now, Yusuf sir goes to Ajit. Can we have Shan Bansal from Mangalam Bhopal? And Warnie Morkel gives a hand to sign backs. Mr. Shan Bansal. Did we all miss the Tiwari? How do we ever go on without you? Resist? I know.
दोस्तों एक मिनट से ताली बज दीजिए प्लीज ताली बजाइए
One more, it's yours to the honors, Mr. Amit Mulchandani from Mumbai. You have to do this walk like a criminal would run if he was about to run out. Super fast. Mehul Patel from Sanket Enterprises. Mr. Amit Mulchandani. All right, come over. That's Mr. Shyam Bansal, Brad Mark. He's a lucky man. Warnie Morkel, you can do the honors for Amit Mulchandani. And Arun Smith. I'd like to have Mr. Mehul Patel, Mr. Mukesh Talwar from Talwar Electronics Karnal, all the way in the north, from Punjab. So please, do the honors for Mukesh Talwar, please. Or Gambhir. There's so many to choose from. Could I have Mr. Narendra Dokha from Kundan Electronics, Bangalore? Mr. Narendra Dokha. Hello. Ranam and Dad Sharma from Manish Pandey. Shastri Mohan Mittal sir, Dayanand Garg sir, and we love great employees, don't we? And we have 4 of them here. Mr. Lalit Bhagat from Circle Head, Gujarat. We would love Morning welcome to the honors. I've never seen a man more agitated than standing still. He's like, come on, yes, we're doing something. Okay, you do it after set. We have 3 more. We keep you busy. Gunjan Srivastava, cluster head now 4. Gunjan, run out. All right. And after him, can I call upon Mr. Amit Bhardwaj, cluster head again, now for all. Agra. Surya, would you do the honors for Mr. Amit Bhardwaj from cluster head Agra? And our last award to Devesh Sharma, area manager, Delhi. These are really hard-working men. They really deserve a clap for this. Yes, you're there. Choose the man you want to actually get it from. Lovely. Go. Come on. Adam Krishna. You get 2. After Adam Krishna. What is that? Congratulations to all the achievers. And we now have a surprise for you. He's a man who has given us music to hum and sing and dance for years over years. He loves cricket, but he is one of the best music composers, and he really clicks with the young music, just like a cricket chant here. 2020 में जिस तरह से instant hits होते हैं, वैसे ही instant ही चुटकी बजाते ही शेर व शायरी तैयार कर लेते हैं, गाने तैयार करते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the magician who casts a spell on you with his music. Can we have a short AV to show who this lovely man is?
तुम इस तरह गाती रहो, anything is possible, and I stand up. Fantastic. So I wanted to stand up, and I'm going to give you the jig here, okay? I believe you enjoy dancing, so I'm going to sing. Ye kali kali aankhein, whoa, whoa. Ye gori gori ka, yeah. Ye dekhi dekhi nazrein, la 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 la. Ye hirni jaisi chaam. Come on guys, clap for him. Dekha jo tujhko jahannam, hua hai pura. Okay, come Rashmi, come, you have to come to you. एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो, कोई उसको पिलाने वाली हो. Now this is the ballroom dance. चाहे गोरी हो या काली हो, सीने से लगाने, सीने से means you got to hug her. सीने से लगाने वाली हो. That's it. Yeah. अरे मिल जाए तो मिट जाए हर गम.
आपके लिए तो आएंगे यहाँ पर साथ देंगे सॉन्ग में, उनके लिए जोरदार ताली हो जाएगा.